Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gel nail polish that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Beetles Jelly Gel Nail Polish Set. Introducing the Beetles Jelly Gel Nail Polish Set, a collection of 6 trendy new colors for the year 2023. With this set, you can easily create colorful and stylish manicures for any occasion. The transparent jelly gel allows you to experiment with different nail styles, such as French nails and swirl nails, catering to nail lovers with different skin tones. The sheer gel polish can be layered to achieve various effects, from clear translucent to solid opaque. Made from 9 toxin-free ingredients, this gel polish is safe to use and has a low odor. It also provides a healthy and glossy shine, giving your nails a brilliant finish with flawless coverage. With proper application, this gel polish can last for at least 3 weeks, making it perfect for daily wear, work, parties, or ceremonies. Experience the 2026 new nail trend with the Beetles Jelly Gel Nail Polish Set. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Modelones Nude Pink Gel Nail Polish Set. Get salon-quality gel manicure at home with Modelones Gel Nail Polish Kit. The 6-color set features 2026 limited edition skin tones, ideal for any occasion. Modelones' patented Inspire Gel technology makes application easy with an exclusive Easy Glide brush. Achieve long-lasting and bubble-free nails with proper application. The cruelty-free, vegan, and skin-friendly formula ensures flawless coverage and glossy shine finish. The innovative color window design helps you pick the right color for your style. At number 3, we have the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Kit. Introducing the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Kit, also known as Beetles Gel Polish. This kit includes 20 beautiful shades of gel polish, along with glossy and matte top coats and a base coat. The colors are perfect for fall, winter, holidays, and everyday use. With easy application and good tenacity, this gel polish lasts for 21+ days with a perfect shine. It is made from 9 toxin-free ingredients, making it safe and low in odor. The kit also comes with a warning for potential allergic reactions. The Beetles Gel Nail Polish Kit is a must-have for at-home manicure lovers who want to recreate the latest trends on their fingertips. At number 2, we have the Beetles Metallic Gel Nail Polish Liner Set. The Beetles Gel Nail Liner offers a stunning chrome finish that makes your nails shine with a high-gloss, mirror-like effect, perfect for special events or everyday glam. Its smooth, creamy formula allows you to apply the polish easily in one stroke, saving you time and effort. You can use it in many ways, whether outlining, filling, or creating detailed designs like French tips or artistic patterns, giving you great creative freedom. Plus, it's designed to last long without chipping or peeling, so your manicure stays vibrant and beautiful for days. This makes it a great choice for anyone who loves polished, durable nail art. And finally, at number 1, we have the Beetles Nude Jelly Gel Nail Polish Set. The Beetles Nude Gel Kit offers 6 trendy sheer jelly gel polish shades, perfect for a modern and stylish look. These translucent colors work well on all skin tones and allow you to create various nail designs like French tips or swirls. You can customize the color intensity by layering the polish from a subtle sheer look to a solid opaque finish. This UV gel polish needs curing under a UV light and requires a base and top coat for best results, giving you a long-lasting manicure. Plus, Beetles is a cruelty-free brand, so you can enjoy your nails guilt-free knowing no animals were harmed. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.